Hi and welcome to this live currency strength indicator table video with me, John. I'll be taking you through the charts this Wednesday, the 2nd of November. Here you can see we have the live currency strength indicator tables in front of us. You can see that we have the trend traders tables here and the day traders tables. These are the same studies, just highlighting different time frames. We can see that some of the currencies here are highlighted in green. That shows us that there is a confluence between the two trading time frames, and that's where we'll be focusing our attention in these videos. The tables auto update every 15 minutes 24/7, so wherever you are in the world you can access these tables at absolutely any time and they'll give you a latest update. So what are the live currency strength indicator tables telling us today? Well, it's telling us that the New Zealand dollar is the strongest currency, being S1 on both tables. We then have the Swiss franc, which is the weakest on the trend traders and the second weakest on the day traders. Now, other currencies that are featured, we have the pound, which is the second strongest currency on the trend traders, and the Australian dollar is the third strongest currency on the trend traders. We have the yen, which is the second weakest on the trend traders, followed by the US dollar, which is the third weakest. Now you can see here there are a couple of currencies that feature twice, but they're not highlighted in green. That's because they're on the opposite side of the table. So you can see here, for instance, that the yen is W2 on the trend traders, but S2 on the day traders. So that's showing us that it's stronger on a lower time frame. That's then followed by the Canadian dollar, which is S3. And then at the top of the day traders weak side, we have the euro, followed by the Swiss franc, followed by the pound at W3. So starting to see a little bit of a switch up on the lower time frames. We're seeing that the yen starting to strengthen again. We see the euro come from the sort of strong side coming into the weak side of things. We've got the dollar, for instance, as well on the weaker side, which is quite interesting at the moment because we do have the FOMC federal funds rate decision this evening. So that's going to play a big part in the market today, and whether we're going to see much volatility towards that event. So in this video, I'm going to focus on Kiwi Swiss because that is the chart of interest at the moment. So let's jump into Kiwi Swiss and have a look at this daily time frame here. Now you can see I've put this red line on the chart, and that's the I'm showing you when Kiwi Swiss showed up for the first time on the live currency strength indicator tables, and that was on the 24th of October. And price, if I just take the close of that candlestick and just go up to where price has moved to, it's moved 176 pips from that close to that key high that's formed at the moment. So 176 pip move from when it was featured is a decent move in the market there. If we take it from the low, the extreme, if you were looking at Kiwi Swiss that day, you'd be looking at a 200 pip rally. Now, looking at the daily chart here, we've got lots of different narratives going on here. We've got the price that's traded through some recent key support levels like the 0 spot 5700 level, and also these lows here at the 0 spot 5550 handle. Now, we can also see above that price has a longer term trend line from through. So you can see here lots of touches of the trend line. We haven't tested it for a while now, but it also comes into an area of resistance from the past. So you can see here this 0 spot 59 handle is acting as potential resistance because it acted as support here when price was trading between the 0 spot 59 and the 0 spot 6075. So we had this like range going on here. Price broke out of the range, traded to the downside, and now is price going to come back into this area here where we have the 0 spot 59 handle, so the lows of the range with confluence from this longer term trend line. So Kiwi Swiss is suggesting that we could see price move higher, but we're actually approaching quite a large area of resistance where we could see price start to reverse back to the downside. If, however, the trend line is breached, then that adds confluence, and we could probably see further upside towards the 0.6075, even the 200 moving average here at 0.6090 at the moment. So there could still be an opportunity for price to break through that. But I think for longer term traders, the chance really here has gone. I'd probably wait for a significant pullback. If we could pull back even back to the 0.5750 high that's just formed down through here, that could be something to look at. And then if Kiwi Swiss is still featured on the live currency strength indicator tables, then that could be your opportunity to look for another rally. However, at the moment, I think this move that's been generating today on the live currency strength indicator tables is for the day traders, because we're so close to that 0.59 handle. If we go down to the hourly time frame, you can see here that I've put in a bullish channel. So price really since that 24th of October, where it featured on the live currency strength indicator tables for the first time, price has been in this bullish channel, and you can see price bouncing between the highs of the channel and the lows of the channel in here. So really speaking, for a day trader's point of view, you've got the 0.59 handle sitting just up here with confluence from a bullish channel on the hourly time frame. That could be a great area to look for targets if we were to see a continuation. So where could that continuation come through? Well, I've looked at the 0.5850 handle, because that's some area where price has found some resistance before breaking through. What I would like to see maybe is another retest of the 5850 as well as the trend line support, and if price can hold at this trend line support and have confluence with buyers coming back in at this point. So you can see here, for instance, these wicks coming through. If that was to happen, then I'd expect a potential move up to the 0.59 handle there for the day traders. Like I said though, for the trend traders, this move may be a little bit over. If you are trading on those higher time frames, you may want to sit out of Kiwi Swiss and wait for another opportunity to develop. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching this video at a later date and you are interested in how you can incorporate the currency strength indicator into your trading to be able to spot where the market is moving, then please head over to charlesclifton.co.uk. We run a trial period for £1, so you can see if the services is for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.